Hi there. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. I just wanted to go over some of my few favorite quarantine items that I have picked up either through Amazon or Target. These items range from like self-care to protective wear and home organization. The first item that I really like is this rose colored neutral mask. They're like a mesh material. I really like the mesh masks because you can breathe a lot easier in them versus the cotton ones that are super thick. They're all individually wrapped, which I think is really cool. Okay, so these masks come in a set of 5. This is the nude pink color. They also have like a gray and a black as well. So I'll put it on to show you. Covers pretty much your entire face, and I like the nude color for myself. And yeah, it's just super breathable and easy to wear, really slim, sticking in my purse. So the next item I'm wearing right now on my nails, this is the OPI Bodega Blackberry nail polish shade. So sometimes nail salons are closed, sometimes they're open. Some people don't feel comfortable right now going into nail salons. And this is just a super high quality color that you can put on at home. It's a really nice color for fall right now and going into winter. So I'm really not a fan of the sanitizer gel on my hands. I find it's like gooey and I just really don't like it. But I like making sure that I stay safe and healthy. So this is a lavender hand sanitizer spray from Whole Foods, and it says it kills 99% of the germs. And it smells really good. It's lightweight, and it's a misty spray. You can spray in your hands or wherever, even on your phone, clean off your phone. So I really, really like this spray. And I believe it's like $3.99, and it's just lasts a really long time. So this next item is like a self-care item. These are Korean face masks, and there's a pack of 16 of these for $9.99, and they are so high quality. So they have like green tea, it's like a variety pack, snail, there's aloe, there's a cucumber one, there's a whitening collagen mask, gold, Q10 collagen, snake one. Anyways, there's vitamin C. There's a lot of really great face masks to choose from. Yeah, I just really like these masks. So another item I really like for skincare is this Teami Green Tea scrub. I love facial scrubs. This one is like made of sugar, and it's not made of like a seed, so it's safe for your skin. And it's packed in there really well. And it's like that matcha green tea. And it smells a little sweet too. So this, I really love to do facial scrubs, and this one's organic. So everyone's trying to keep up their immune system right now, and I like these airborne probiotic gummies because they have like the probiotic in them and all of your antioxidant vitamins as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. So there's vitamin A, C, E, magnesium, zinc, and probiotics, and also like a herbal blend of echinacea and ginger as well. So this one tastes so good. These gummies are like citrusy. So a lot of people right now are staying at home and cleaning and organizing. And I found these great to keep everything smelling nice. These are the charcoal bags you can put in your shoe closet in your kitchen. How they work is you put them out in the sun for a couple hours, and it gets the ingredients it needs to absorb any odors in your house. So then you put them in your closet, and they last for months. So these come in like a pack of 8 or 10. These are just great to have. I've been doing a lot of organizing in my closets, and I love this brand. This is Sorbus, and these are their drawer organizers. So you can put these in like your drawers for your socks and for your clothing. I use these for my daughter's drawers to keep like her shirt separate from her bottoms and things like that. I also got some of their storage for under the bed storage as well. So this is just a great kind of project to do. So this has like a small bin, medium, large. These are just really inexpensive and great to have if you're in that organization mode. So the last item, these are kind of all the rage right now, the blue light glass. I got these for $18. They have them in the light pink and then the tortoise, the clear, and the gray. So these are on Amazon. And I wear these when I am at the computer or even watching TV. So my daughter loves these too. She's always taking them for me. So I might actually grab another pair. So I hope you guys got some good tips on here for staying safe and healthy right now, and some ideas of what to do when you're at home, and maybe do some organizing, do your nails, take care of your skin and your body as well. So I'm going to try to link all of the items down below so you can check them out yourself. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I hope to see you in the next one, and stay safe, everyone.